Hi, I'm Philip, and Ninja reached out to me to help show you how easy it is to clean and care for your Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. To keep your oven well maintained, it's recommended that you clean it after each use. Start by unplugging the unit from the outlet. Allow it to cool down to the point it's comfortable enough to touch. Empty the crumb tray by sliding it out of the oven and hand wash it if necessary. If there is food splatter on the interior walls of the oven, use a soft damp sponge to wipe away the mess. Wipe the interior after each use to minimize grease buildup over time. To clean the exterior of the oven and the control panel, wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth. A non-abrasive liquid cleaner or mild spray solution can also be used. Apply the cleaner to the sponge, not the oven surface, before cleaning. You can use the rough side of the sponge and non-abrasive cleaners too, but be careful, you could scratch some surfaces. Wash the wire racks, air fry basket, sheet pans, roasting tray, and crumb tray in warm, soapy water, then rinse and dry thoroughly. You can use a non-abrasive cleaning brush to more thoroughly wash the air fry basket. If you're having trouble getting tough grease out, let the accessories soak in warm soapy water overnight, and it'll be much easier to scrub and wash off. It's recommended that you hand wash all of your accessories that come with your oven. If you want to place the wire racks or air fry basket in the dishwasher, you can do so, but note that it may cause some wear over time. Do not place the sheet pans, roasting tray, or crumb tray in the dishwasher. If they are placed in the dishwasher, it may cause the finish to degrade. Thoroughly dry all of your parts before placing them back in the oven. To help cut down on cleanup, we recommend using parchment paper or aluminum foil before placing your food on top of the accessories that come with the oven. Some quick tips. Do not cover the roasting tray holes with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Instead, line the sheet pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil and make sure it's flush to the bottom sides of the sheet pan so it doesn't block the roasting tray holes. Using the roast tray on top of the sheet pan when you cook foods with oil or marinades also cuts down on cleaning. This helps avoid anything dripping onto the heating elements, which can sometimes cause smoke. If you're looking for more tips, tricks, and recipe inspiration, check out ninjakitchen.com or join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.